In today's video, we are going to be talking about one of our favorite subjects, and that is beard balm. You may have some questions about how to use it, what it's for, and why it should be a part of your beard care and maintenance routine. So we're going to dive into each one of those topics today and help you learn a little bit more about how to take better care of your beard. Let's go. Hey guys, what is up, and welcome back to another video. This is your boy Ben from Bearded Crew, where we teach you how to grow it right. First thing we need to talk about is what beard balm actually is. Now, instead of a straight conditioning product like beard oil that's meant to replace the oils that your skin loses as your beard grows out, beard balm actually kind of sits in the middle between a styling product and a conditioning product and actually serves multiple purposes, primarily as a styling product. So if you look at the ingredients on any good quality beard balm, you're gonna see a couple of different things. One, you're gonna see a few essential oils that are in it that's actually gonna make it smell good and help your beard smell better. But you're also gonna see things that will give it hold and help you maintain the shape of your beard, like beeswax and coconut oil. So does this mean that you should use a beard oil or a beard balm? No, it actually means that you should use both of these things together. While the beard balm will provide some conditioning properties that beard oil will, beard oil is a much better conditioning product to help you lubricate the follicles of your beard, as well as to, again, replace the oils that are lost on your face as your beard starts to grow out and help you fight that dreaded beard itch. So now that we know a little bit more about what beard balm is, what should you look for in a good quality beard balm? So the first ingredient that I look for in any beard balm is beeswax. Now, beeswax is a fantastic ingredient that will give you great hold. It's an all-natural product that will help maintain your beard and also give it a little bit of conditioning. I also look for all-natural essential oils, so things like jojoba oil, tea tree oil, things that I know are going to be good for my skin and that work well for me and carry scents that I like. Now, there are some things that you're going to want to avoid, and this especially is true if you're looking at some of the mass-produced products out there. Now, some products are going to contain all natural ingredients and they're going to be great, but a lot of the bigger products are going to contain things like petroleum derivatives. Those types of chemicals are going to coat your skin in a very thin layer of oil or grease that doesn't breathe and won't be readily absorbed by your skin or by the follicles of your hair, which means it's going to restrict airflow. It's going to restrict the nutrients that can actually get into and out of your skin, which is ultimately going to lead to damage to the hair and damage to the skin underneath your beard. As always, look for as many natural ingredients as you can find. Try to avoid anything like phthalates or parabens, anything that is not natural that will ultimately harm your skin. At Bearded Crew, we are proud to make our balms with exceptional quality organic grade ingredients. We hand make our products with pride and are committed to helping you grow a better, healthier beard. So now that we know a little bit more about the key ingredients in a good quality beard balm, we need to know how to actually integrate this into our grooming routine. So where beard balm actually sits in my beard care and maintenance routine is after washing and oiling, but before I actually use a blow dryer to style out my beard and get the shape that I want. First things first, when it comes to beard styling, we're going to wash and condition our beard. So I try to do this every couple of days because I do use a lot of products in my beard. Even though they're all natural, I do want to take some of that excess weight and those excess waxes and oils and things out of my beard and just give a good clean base layer to work with. So after I've thoroughly dried my beard so that it's damp and not soaking wet, I'm going to apply my favorite beard oil and allow that to soak in for about 3 to 5 minutes. I want the hairs to actually really absorb that beard oil. I want to make sure the oil gets down to the skin and actually helps hydrate the skin underneath my beard. So once that oil has had an opportunity to work its magic and condition our beard, we're gonna go ahead and scoop out a thumbnail-sized portion of beard balm. Now, for most guys, this is gonna be plenty. For some guys, this might be too much. It really just depends on your beard length and texture. So for me, having a coarser, curlier beard, I tend to have to use more product in my beard than most others who have either a straighter beard or a shorter beard than I do. So now that we've scooped out our beard balm, we're gonna put that in the palm of our hand and start to work our hands together to warm that beard balm up and warm up the waxes in the balm so we can start to work it through the beard hair. Once we've got it nice and warm, we're gonna work that beard balm from root to tip. So start at the skin underneath and work it all the way out to the tips of your beard. We want a good coating of beard balm here, again, because this is what's going to ultimately give us our hold. Now, once we've worked that beard balm all the way through, for me, I like to give it another comb through. So I like to redistribute those oils, make sure that beard balm is evenly distributed throughout my beard so that I can maintain the shape that I want and get that nice and spread through, get those conditioning advantages from the beard balm and the beard oil, as well as get that hold from the beeswax. And the last step I'm gonna do is actually to take a blow dryer and put it on the high heat setting to actually warm up that beard balm, warm up the beard hair so that it absorbs into my beard and into my skin. Now the last step, and this is absolutely a pro tip, is switch over to a cool setting on your hair dryer. So by switching over to the cool setting, what we're gonna do is actually set the hair in place. So instead of it being warm and being allowed to kind of curl back up to where it was before, we're gonna use that cool setting to cool the beard hair down, cool the beeswax in the beard balm down, and actually set it in place to give us great hold for the rest of the day. And if you follow these steps, you are going to be able to style your beard any way you want, get great hold, great maintenance, and not have to worry about reapplying beard balm throughout the day or worry about your beard going crazy in the middle of the day. So if you have a little bit of extra beard balm on your hands, don't be afraid to use that on your skin. There's a lot of great natural ingredients in this. I actually use it on my tattoos sometimes. So if my arms are feeling a little bit ashy, I'll actually take that extra beard balm and just work it into my skin and into my tattoos to bring them back and make them look super vibrant before I walk out the door. So every beard grower is gonna have their own favorite scents, but for me, there is nothing better during the daytime than our tea tree scent. So tea tree to me is just the ultimate clean beard scent. It's something that I don't mind smelling all day. It's not super heavy, but it is gonna make your beard smell and look fantastic. Plus, tea tree oil has some fantastic benefits for your skin, especially if you have skin issues. You know, under my beard, sometimes I can tend to have some skin issues, and tea tree helps clear that up and manage it really, really well. Now at nighttime, where we tend to lose a lot of moisture from our bodies and from our beard hair, I like to use our Sweet Dreams scent. So the Sweet Dreams scent is specifically designed to actually help you get a better night's sleep. Now, believe it or not, the essential oils in this can help you relax at night. And if you're putting this stuff in your beard, you're gonna smell it all night long. It's not only gonna help you get a better night's sleep, but it's also going to help condition your beard throughout the night by locking in that moisture you put into it in your nighttime beard care routine. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today's video on beard balm. If you have any other questions or want any more information about our balms or the products that are available from Bearded Crew, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'll do our best to get to everyone's questions, or visit us at the link in the description at www.beardedcrew.com, where you can check out all the products that we have available on the website. And we look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you for being a part of the community, and thank you for coming to learn with us and learning how to grow it right. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.